So in this video, I'll show you how Fluent Booking's automated email system keeps you and your clients in sync, sending confirmations, reminders, and updates exactly when they're needed. Because let's be honest, managing bookings daily becomes a challenge, especially if you are running a service-based business like an agency or consultancy. No-shows, last-minute cancellations, or just forgetting the appointment altogether. Yeah, I know that stuff can cost you time and revenue. That's why Fluent Booking's email notification system makes a big difference. Whether someone books, reschedules, or cancels, both you and your client get notified instantly without having to lift a finger. So it's quick to set up, easy to customize, and it seriously helps reduce no-shows while making your whole process feel smoother and professional. All right, let's get started. From the Fluent Booking dashboard, I'll just pick a calendar that I want to set notifications for. On the left sidebar, I'll tap on Email Notification. Here, Fluent Booking has already enabled some default email notification templates for me, but I have complete control to turn these on or off based on my needs. Starting by tapping Edit on the Email to Attendee. Okay, so the very first thing to do is to personalize my email subject lines. Because a clear, customized subject grabs attention and makes my communication feel more professional and relevant. I'll just customize the subject lines. Fluent Booking offers handy shortcodes besides the subject input box, the host name and client's name shortcodes by default in the subject line. So I can use more if I want, such as appointment date, which dynamically inserts info, so each email is unique to the recipient. So next, focus on the email body. There's a pre-built template ready, but I can easily add my touch. I'm going to add a few lines here in the body part. So I'll use my brand logo using the Add Media option. This builds trust and brand recognition. I can also add shortcodes in the email body to automatically include details like the organizer's name, appointment time, and even the payment receipt. This way, when a client books an appointment, the confirmation email will include the payment receipt automatically. I think a handy feature developed by the Fluent team, right? So I'm going to use some bullet points and highlight key info to make the email easy to read. And don't forget, you can even change colors or add clickable links, maybe to your website or reschedule page or contact info. So I'll toggle the active button so these emails will be sent out. Then I'll just hit save. Fluent Booking lets you do more than just basic notifications. For example, under Booking Confirmation Email to Organizer, I can add extra recipients. This feature is ideal for teams where managers or additional staff need to be notified along with the primary organizer. Moreover, you have complete control to customize the email content and other related settings. When setting up meeting reminders to attendees, I can configure multiple reminders, say 1 day before and another an hour before the appointment or 10 minutes before. You can do it as per your needs. Nothing worry on that. So as the organizer, I can also set a meeting reminder for myself. Additionally, I'll have the option to add extra recipients. So this significantly reduces no-shows because clients and me as the organizer will get timely reminder. Appointments don't always go as planned, but Fluent Booking covers unexpected changes. So I can configure notification emails that inform both parties immediately if an appointment is cancelled or rescheduled. I can include a shortcode to automatically ask for the reason behind cancellation or rescheduling, so which helps me to gather valuable feedback effortlessly. In some cases where your business requires approval before confirming appointments, Fluent Booking allows sending approval request emails to the host. So if the host declines, an automatic email will be sent to notify the attendee. So that means keeping everyone updated and avoiding confusion. So now it's time to test. So I'll head to my booking calendar and make a test appointment. And my client should instantly receive the notification emails I have customized. Also, I'll get the email notification as well. If you need the same style for other calendars or events, you can clone your customized email templates easily. So just click the 3 dots on the email notification panel and select clone. It simplifies your workflow and ensures consistency throughout your business operations. So there you have it. With Fluent Booking's appointment notification and reminder system, managing appointments becomes seamless, professional, and hassle-free. It helps keep clients informed, minimizes no-shows, and maintains a seamless workflow, all with minimal effort on your part. So if you are looking to streamline your appointment process and deliver a better client experience, start using Fluent Booking today. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more tutorials and tips. Thanks for watching, stay fluent, and keep your appointments on point.